Hey guys, you're welcome back. You're back. We're live on Apollox announcement. So we currently have the comment and win Chinese Zodiac giveaway. So there are loads of giveaway currently happening. We're checking out this one. So all you need to do is to comment your zodiac sign and the number that is attached here. So we have first on the list we have rat. There's rat here 1984, 1996, 2008, 2020. So you want to comment if you are a fan of rat, and you comment the year that got you attracted. If it's 1984, 1996, 2008, or 2020. Then we have ox. We have 1985, same year. Then we also have the year of the tiger, 1986, 1998, then 2020, 2022. We have rabbit too, we have dragon, we have snake, pig, dog, rooster, monkey, goat, horse. I think that's basically it. So we have about 12 Chinese zodiac signs here. So you want to comment and hopefully get a chance to win. So this is an $100 APX giveaway that is available for to 10 users. So uh, all you need to do is just follow and comment your Chinese zodiac animal on the Instagram post. There's a link there. I'll try as much as possible to drop the link for you guys to get it. So register in this form to qualify. So basically, as a new user, you just need to have an account on Apollox. So I'm dropping a link. So you create an account on Apollox. Once you're done with that, then you can now start participating in the reward because you'll be submitting your Apollox user ID, and using our affiliate link should give you access to a majority of the benefits on the Apollox platform. So we'll be dropping that for you so you guys can participate. So airdrop will be ending by February 10th. So as of recording, you still have enough time to participate. If you're back, keys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, guys, so you get notified whenever we drop updates. Stay tuned for more and one love.